Good morning students. Today we will discuss how to add or subtract the algebraic expression. Okay. So for addition, suppose there are three terms are there, first, second and third, and you have to add this. So we can add or subtract only the like terms. We cannot add or subtract the unlike terms. Okay. Like terms you understand, whose variables are same. Same variable you can add. You cannot add the different variable. So let's see how to add this. One example. 2x plus 4y minus 3z. This we are going to add with this. 5y plus 2z plus this. Minus 6x minus 9y plus 3z. First of all, we will write all the three different separate terms with bracket. We are going to add, so we have given the addition sign in between. Now all the like terms you write together, means xx1 we will write separate, yy1 we will write separate, and zz1 separate. So 2x, you can remove the bracket also. 2x plus 4y minus 3z plus 5y plus 2z plus, here minus sign, there is a plus, so plus minus you can directly write minus. 6x plus minus minus 9y plus 3z. Okay. Now xx you will write together. 2x, there is any x term? Yes, here is x term. Minus 6x, there is any x term? No. Now y term, plus 4y plus 5y and minus 9y. Okay, yy we have taken together. Now z, minus 3z plus 2z, always write the term with its sign. Okay, plus 3z. Now we are going to add now. Xx you can add. You cannot add x with y. Okay, so 2x minus 6x, what we will get? 4x. But sign, which is the bigger sign from this two? 6, 1, negative sign is bigger, so we will write here minus. Okay. Now plus plus plus, and here is minus. So first we will add 5 plus 4, 9y. 9y minus 9y. What we will get? 9y minus 9y, 0y. Okay. Or you can simply write the 0. Minus 3z plus 2z plus 3z. So according to BODMAS, always add the plus 1, always do the first. Okay. Plus 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 3z plus 2z, 5z. It is equal to 5z plus 5z, and minus 3z. You have to subtract from this minus 3. 5z minus 3z, we will get 2z. But sign of plus only, because 5z has plus sign. Bigger one has plus sign, so we will give the sign of plus here. Got it? This is the way of addition. There is one more way to add. You can write the terms in a column wise, and then you can add like this. Look at here. First term I have written here, this one. Now this one we are going to write 5y plus 2z. So y1 we will write just below the y term only. 5y plus 2z. There is no x term here, so we will not write anything in the x term. Okay. And one more, minus 6x minus 9y plus 3z. Column wise write down. Now we are going to add it. Okay. Now let's see here. Plus 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 3 plus 2, 5. 5z minus 3z. What we will get? 2z, but sign of plus, because 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is greater than 3. Now here 5 plus 4 plus 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 9y. 9y minus 9y. What we will get? 0. 0y or simply 0. And here 2x minus 6x. 6 minus 2. What we will get? 4x, but sign of minus. So 4x plus 2z is the answer. Here you can write plus 0, or you can remove the 0 also. Minus 4x plus 2z is the answer. Understood? Now how to do subtraction? Subtract this from this. Subtraction is also very easy, but in this you have to pay attention in the sign, when to remove the bracket and how to change the sign. So you have to subtract this from this. So we will write this one first, because from this only you have to subtract this. So 2, we will write here 12p square minus 15q square plus 8p minus this term. So we will write this in bracket, because subtraction it is necessary to put the bracket, and in next term you will remove the bracket. Okay, minus sign, now you are going to remove this bracket, so all the sign will get changed. This is in plus, so it will become in minus. Minus plus minus 9pq. This is in plus, it will come in minus 7p square. This is in minus, it will come in plus 8q square. Okay, always in subtraction, if before the bracket there is a minus sign, so when you will open the bracket, all the sign will get changed. Now same process, write the like terms together. P square, there is any p square term? Yes, here minus 7p square. Now q square, minus 15q square, there is only one more q square. Okay, now plus 8p, is there any p? No, minus 9pq. Okay, now add the like terms. Plus minus minus 12 minus 7, 5p square. Okay, sign will be plus only because 12 is greater than 7, so we will write here plus. Minus plus, here also minus. 15 minus 8, 7q square, but sign 15 is bigger than 8, so we will give the subtraction sign here. Okay, now qq and pp done. Now p1 plus 8p is a single term, you cannot add this with this or subtract because both are unlike terms. So write it like this only, 8p minus 9pq. Now you cannot add or subtract it because all are unlike terms. You can see q square, p square, p, pq. Okay, this is the answer only. Similarly, in your exercise, questions are given. Exercise 12.2. Here, subtraction also you can do with column method. Okay, it is your wish. If you feel comfortable with column method, you can use this method, or you feel comfortable with horizontal method, you can use this. Both you can use. Okay, now question number 1 of exercise 12.1. You have to add it 6mn, 4mn and minus 3mn. You are going to add it. So addition sign we will give in between, mn plus 4mn plus, but it has minus sign. So first of all we will write this in bracket, but we are going to add it, so we have given the sign of plus. Now 6mn plus 4mn plus minus minus 3mn. Now according to BODMAS rule, addition first, plus plus plus. 6 plus 4, 10mn minus 3mn. 10 minus 3, 7mn is the answer. Okay, plus 10 is bigger, so it has plus sign, so it will be in plus only. Okay, similarly B number, 1 by 3 xyz, 3 by 5 xyz and minus 2xy. There is no z here, so you can add it with this? No. So just write down like this, 1 by 3 xyz plus 3 by 5 xyz minus 2xy. So xy, it is unlike term, so you cannot add this with this. We will add this 2 first. xyz, xyz. Okay. Now take the LCM of this 2. 5 and 3, we will get the LCM 15. Now 3 5s are 15, so we will get here 5 xyz plus 3 into 5 3s are 15. So 3 xyz minus 2 xy, you will write like this. Now 15, 5 xyz plus 3 3s are 9 xyz. Okay, minus 2 xy you write separate. 9 plus 5, 14 xyz by 15 minus 2 xy. Okay, 14 by 15 you cannot do anything. 14 by 15 xyz minus 2 xy is the answer. Okay, clear? Similarly, question number 2, subtraction. you have to subtract 4x from minus 9x. From this means you have to write this one first. Minus 9x, you are going to subtract, so we will give the sign of plus in between. 4x. So minus 9x minus 4x. Minus minus plus. 9 plus 4 and sign of minus, bigger one sign. Okay, its answer is this. Similarly, question number 2, B number. Minus 5x from minus 12x plus 5. So we will write this one first. Minus 12x plus 5 minus, subtracting, so give the sign of minus between, but it has already minus sign, so we will write it in bracket. Follow the steps properly. Okay, minus minus, we will get here plus 5x. So minus 12x plus, this one we can add or subtract, but this is a constant term. Okay, so minus 12x plus 5x, minus plus minus, or you can write the like terms together like this also. X1 together. Minus plus minus 12 minus 5, 7x. It is bigger than this, so it has minus sign, so we will give here minus sign. Okay, plus 5. We cannot add this 5 with this because it is a constant term and it is a variable term. Okay, now try to do the question number 3, 4, 5. Find the difference between this and this. Difference between, so you'll write this and this together and you can subtract it. If you can do it, otherwise in the next video we will deal rest of the questions. But question number up to 4 you have to complete. Okay.